In last class, I have already explained how you have to convert the number from binary to decimal and decimal to 1. And in last class, I have given you these 4 questions. On these questions, you have to convert these number from binary to decimal. This is the homework for you in last class. So today I will explain each of the questions separately. So why you have to check your solution and note on it. If there is any problem, you have to correct it. So start from question 1. 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. This number is in binary. You have to convert this number into decimal. Write down this number 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Now convert this number into decimal. So start from here. Write down its place value. Place value is 0, 2's power 0. This is 2's power 1. This is 2's power 2. 2's power 3. 2's power 4. 2's power 5. And this one 2's power 6. I think this will be 2's power 5, this is 2's power 6, and this one is 2's power 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write down the power of 2's power. Now multiply the power with the digit. So start from here. 1 into 2's power 0 plus 0 into 2's power 1 plus 1 into 2's power 2 plus 0 into 2's power 3 plus 1 into 2's power 4 plus 1 into 2's power 5 plus 0 into 2's power 6 plus 1 into 2's power 7. So this is 1 into 2's power 7, 0 into 2's power 6, 1 into 2's power 5, and 1 into 2's power 4, 2's power 3, 2's power 2, 2's power 1, 2's power 0. Now you have multiplied it. 2's power 0 into 1, this gives you 2's power 0, 1. 1 into 1, this comes 1. So 1 into 1 give you 1. 2's power 1, 2 multiplied by 0 give you 0. 2's power 2, 4 multiplied by 1, it's give you 4. 2's power 3, 8 multiplied by 0 is give you 0. 2's power 4, 16 multiplied by 1 give you 16. 2 to the power 5, 32 multiplied by 1, this give you 32. 2 to the power 6, 2's power 6 is 64 multiplied by 0 give you 0. 2's power 7, 128 multiplied by 1 is 128. Add these numbers. This is 128 plus 32, it's gives you 160. 60 plus 16, 176. 180 plus 1. So this gives you 181 base 10. So write down this solution, and now I explain question number 2. So this question is 1 1 1 1 0 1. You have to convert this number into decimal. So start from here. This is 2's power 0, 2's power 1, 2's power 2, 2's power 3, this is 2's power 4, and this one is 2's power 5. Now just start multiplying the powers, base powers into its digit. So start 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 0, 1, 1 into 1, it will give you 1. 2 to the power 1, this is 2, 2 into 0, give you 0 plus 2 to the power 2, 4 into 1, it will give you 4. 2 to the power 3, 8 into 1, it will give you 8. 2 to the power 4, 16 multiplied 1, 16. 2 to the power 32 multiplied 1, and add these numbers. 32 plus 16, 48 plus 8, 56 plus 4, 60 plus 1, 61. So this is 61 base 10. Note down the solution of these two problems. Now I explain problem number 3. Question number 3. This is 5 1, I think. 5 1 1 1 1 1 1 base 2. You have to convert this into base 5. So write down this number just like this. This is 5 1. You have to convert. Use the base power 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, and this one is 2 to the power 4. So 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 2 into 2 to the power 1 plus 2 into 2 to the power 2 plus this one is 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 0, 1, 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 to the power 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4. 2 to the power 2, 4, 4 into 2 to the power 2, 4 and 4 multiplied by 1, it give you here 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, and this is 2 to the power 2, 4 multiplied by 1, it's give you 4, this one 2 to the power 3, 8 multiplied by 1, it give you 8, plus this one 2 to the power 4, 16 multiplied by 1 is 16, add these numbers, 16 plus 8, 24 plus 4, 28 is to 30 plus 1, it give you 31 base 10. Now I explain question number 4. In this question you have to convert this number into decimal form. Write this number 1 0 0 0 1. This is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. This is 2 to the power 4. This one is 2 to the power 5. Now 2 to the power 0, 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 0 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 4 plus 0 and 1 into 2 power 5. Now convert this. This is 2 power 0, 1 into 1, 1. This is 2 power 1 into 0, 0, 2 power 2 into 0, 0, 2 power 3 into 0, 0, 2 power 4 into 0, 0, plus 2 power 5, 32 into 1. This gives you 32. And 32 plus 1, it give you 33 base 10. So write down the solution of all the 4 questions which I give you in a homework. Now today I will explain how to convert a decimal number into octal number. So write down this. So now take a number in decimal and convert it into octal. So take a number in decimal, like I want to convert 136, which is in decimal. Now I want to convert it into octal. So take this number 136. You have to convert decimal from octal, and octal have a base 8. So you have to convert this number according to base 8 and make the remainder. Means its number, this number in decimal, you have to divide this number with the base of octal number, means 8, and save your remainder. Now start dividing. 8, 8 1 ja 8. Here 5 remainder, 5 and 6, 56. 8 7 ja 56, and it give you 0. Now again divide by 8, it give you 8 2 ja 16, and now this one, this is, now we write in such a way, this is 2 1 0 base 8. So this is the conversion of this number into binary. Since binary is into octal numbers, since this number in octal, so it can contain the digits from 0 to 7. Now take one more example. Converting 467 in decimal, we have to convert into octal. Now take a number 467, start dividing by 8. 8 5 ja 40, 6 remaining, 67. 8 8 ja 64, 3 remainder. 8 7 ja 56, here 2 remaining. So this one is 732 base 8. So I think you have easily understand how to convert a number from decimal to octal. Now I will give you 4 questions in homework, and you have to convert this number into octal. So these are the 4 homework questions. One is 3 6 7 base 10. You have to convert it into octal. Now one 4 6 3 base 10. You have to convert it in octal. 2 3 1 6